Hey guys, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we are visiting at Shri Radha Aqua Gardens project, which is located in Noida Extension. Aqua Gardens is built across 5 acres of land and it consists of 5 number of towers of G+22 and G+23 floor rise and total comprises of 940 number of units. So as here you can see the view of project model, and from here you can take the front view of the project, that is Aqua Gardens by Shri Radha Group. The project is well equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. So this we are giving you the top view of the various towers. As I have told you, the project carries 5 number of towers with different names. As here you can see, each and every tower is categorized by different name. And now here you can see the view of 3 BHK unit floor plan. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat. So here comes the living room. The spacious living room, skillfully designed. Over here you can see the dining area. And moving next, this we have the modular kitchen with separate utility area. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area. And here comes the first bedroom of this flat. Here is the balcony area. Here you can see the wardrobe section. And this we have an attached washroom with this bedroom. Now here we have the common washroom of this flat. And now we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. As here also you can see the room is very spacious. Here comes the balcony area. From here you can take the outside view of the society. And now here comes the third bedroom. Again the spacious bedroom with cupboard, textured walls and laminated wooden flooring. Here comes an attached washroom, and this is the view of the balcony area. The wide balcony. From here you can take the exterior view of the society. As this project is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension, and now we are heading towards the another sample flat. Here comes the living room. Again, the balcony view. Now here comes the first bedroom of this flat. This is an attached washroom. Here is the wardrobe section and an attached balcony. So friends, as you can see, the room is skillfully designed and spacious for the comfort of the residents. And now we are heading towards the kitchen area, and here comes the modular kitchen. And now we have entered into the second bedroom of this flat. Here comes an attached washroom. Here is the balcony area. So in this video, we have given you the interior view of a 3 BHK and 2 BHK sample flat. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can contact us at the number given in the description. Thank you.